This video is not sponsored. I simply enjoy using this app myself. The program offers a free version, which already gives you an edge over your competitors. Start by creating a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard's homepage. The key points here are the number of credits and the option to create a new chatbot. We'll talk about credits shortly, but let's start by creating a new chatbot. Click plus New Chatbot. Give your chatbot a name and click Create Chatbot. Here you can customize the technical settings of your chatbot and how it appears on your website. Let's start by selecting Customize the Chatbot. Name your chatbot, for example, Customer Service, or your company name. This name will appear here. For the tagline, you can write anything you want, such as a person's name. Choose an avatar to display next to the bot's name. Here, you can adjust the bot's colors to match your brand's color scheme. You can also customize where and how large the chatbot widget appears on your website. Additionally, you can choose whether the chatbot opens automatically for mobile users, set the font size for messages, and tweak other settings. You can also style this with CSS if desired, but it's not necessary. Once you've made your customizations, click Save Changes. In the Conversation tab, you can modify the opening messages and other related settings. Let's leave these as they are, as the default settings are already quite good. Next, let's look at the role. Here you can write instructions for the chatbot on how to approach customers and what conversational style to use. Next is human support. Note that this is a feature available only in the paid version, but it adds so much value that I want to show it here. If the bot cannot answer questions, it can automatically offer a quick form for the customer to fill out, which is sent to your email. You can also set a limit on the number of messages before the customer is automatically shown the form. I like using this automation because it's both smart and effective. Enter your customer service email address in this field. In the Email Settings tab, you can configure the email template that will be sent to you. Finally, remember to click Save Settings. You can also enable lead collection here. It works similarly to human support and can be easily tailored to your needs. Lead collection is also a paid feature, but it helps your business, and for many, one lead is enough to cover the cost. The advanced section is crucial. Depending on whether you're using the free or paid version, you can define how intelligent your bot is. In the top right corner of your account, you'll see your credit balance. This is important as it affects the type of bot you can choose. Open the Model drop-down menu. Here you'll see the available bots and the number of credits each message consumes. The more advanced the model, the more credits it uses. For my client projects, I use the most advanced model because I think it's worth the price. However, you can experiment to find the best option for you. At this point, let's select GPT 40 Minutes, which uses 1 credit per message and is available in the free version. With rate limit, you can control how many messages can be sent within a certain time frame. This can be useful if your site gets a lot of bot traffic. Finally, click Save Changes. Now we've configured the most important settings. Next, it's time for training. Open the Training tab and click Add New Website. Paste your website URL here and click Start Scanning Website. Once the scan is complete, click Start Training. This process feeds all the content from your website to the bot. On the left side, you can also upload files, brochures, FAQs, or text about your business. Often, scanning the website and training the bot with that information is enough. These settings allow you to fine-tune the bot as much as you want, but with these steps, you've already created a better customer service bot than most of your competitors. Now it's time to add it to your website. Open the Add to Website tab. Copy the top code to your clipboard. Install a free and lightweight plugin called HFCM on your website. Install and activate it. Find the plugin here and click Add New. Use these settings. Paste the code here. Click Save. Now your website has a customer service bot. Later, if you want to edit the bot, do it in the Chat Lab dashboard. Changes will automatically update on your website.